super shy, but wait a minute while I make your mind, make your mind. Darling, then take them though you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. I'm super shy.
Here I want to introduce you about my family. First, I want to introduce about my father. My father is tall, has short black hair, and he's thin. His skin is tan, and my father character is kind and gentle. He always gives me whatever I want. He likes working, he loves his family, and he is active in church activities, and he likes helping other people. Second is my mother. She is short with long brown hair. She is a little fat and her skin is tan. My mother character is that she is kind, gentle, sometimes she likes angry, and she likes working. She is a great cook and she likes shopping. She likes Korean dramas. She really loves her family and she always gives her children whatever they want to. Her brother. His name is Kenzo. He is fat, he is tall, his hair is short black, and his skin is tan. His character is that he is a bit grumpy, he is indifferent, he likes to be alone, and doesn't want to be told around. He likes playing video games, he likes eating, but he really loves his little brother, and he always keeps his problem to himself. Four is my last little brother. His name is Kenzie. He's still short because he is 5 years old. His hair is short black. He is thin. His skin is tan. And his eyes are very beautiful. His character is that he is very cheerful. He always laughs and smiles. He is very friendly to everyone. He always shares whatever he has. He cries easily.
다음에 또 만나요 우리